Here we have a revision example on algebraic division. We're going to divide x to the power 4 minus 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus 2x plus 3 by x minus 4. We set this up by putting the x minus 4 at this end, and then under the division sign, the x to the 4 minus 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus 2x plus 3. The first step is we look at x and say, what do we multiply this by to get x to the 4? We know that x times x cubed is x to the 4, so we write x cubed. Then we do x cubed times x, and x cubed times minus 4x. We're then going to do a subtraction. X to the 4 take away x to the 4 is nothing. Minus 3x cubed take away minus 4x cubed becomes minus 3x cubed plus 4x cubed, which is a single 1x cubed. The next step is to bring down the 4x squared. The next step is to look at x and say, what do we multiply it by to get x cubed? Clearly x times x squared is x cubed, so we write down the x squared. We now do x squared times x, which is x cubed, and then x squared times minus 4, which is minus 4x squared. Once again we subtract. X cubed minus x cubed disappears. 4x squared minus 4x squared becomes 4x squared plus 4x squared, which is 8x squared. We then bring down the minus 2x. We then look at 8x squared. What do we multiply x by to get 8x squared? Clearly x times 8x gives us 8x squared, so we write down plus 8x. We then need to do the 8x multiplied by x, which gives us 8x squared, and 8x times minus 4, which is minus 32x. We subtract. 8x squared minus 8x squared disappears. Minus 2x minus 32x becomes minus 2x plus 32x, which is 30x. We bring down the plus 3. We then do x to get 30x. To get 30x from x, we must multiply it by 30. So we write down the plus 30. We then do 30 times x, and then 30 times minus 4. Once again, we're going to subtract. 30x minus 30x disappears, and then 3 minus 120 becomes 3 plus 120, which is 123. This is the remainder on division, and this is called the quotient. And the next example will examine what we can do with these in a little more detail.